Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to part 2 of my neighbor Steve's in-ground pool excavating. From my previous episode, you saw we brought in some heavy equipment to dig a big hole in his backyard, ripped up all the sprinkler systems, whatever. Dump truck got stuck over there because we had so much rain. And so the ground is very soft. So now they're just going back and forth with the excavator, buckets and buckets of soil into the dump trucks, and off they go. The guys were nice enough to give me some good soil. Not just fill, but actually fine soil that's pretty clean. I'm gonna take a couple of these dumps of soil and just cover my lawn. My lawn's very thin in some places, and so I know that I need some topsoil. Instead of going out to buy it, I got soil right here, next door. I'm gonna go get my tractor because the guy says this is so heavy, there's no way I'm gonna be able to pull it, you know? I mean, it's super heavy, I can't even lift it, you know? So I'm gonna go get a base tractor, and we're gonna come and haul this out of the way. As you saw from the last episode, I drilled the hole bigger so I can get my hitch ball on here. I pumped up all the tires, so this should be good to go. Just gonna go over there and drag the trailer with the dirt in it and bring it to my lawn. Let's hope this baby starts. Oh crap, I don't want to sit on that pool. that, huh? Other than a little bit of surging, right? Really runs pretty well. So I've got my dirt over here. I think my ball is too big. See, so he had to stand on it to keep this thing on there because this thing wouldn't close anymore. So the ball is too big for this. I just got to think about what I want to do. Should I just dump it or ride around with it and slowly dump it with the dump like raised up a little and just ride around and it'll slowly scatter it around? Maybe that's what I should do. So as you saw, that tractor actually runs pretty good. Starter hasn't been hanging up for a while. Ran fine today, you know? It seemed like a lot of soil at the moment, but once I dump a little bit on each part of it and I spread it around, it doesn't really seem like that much soil. I almost feel like I need 5 more. You know what? I don't know if it's gonna do anything, you know what I mean? But just adding a little bit of more soil to my very thin lawn couldn't hurt, you know what I mean? It's got some rocks in here, and I'll pick those up as the weather comes and it rains and it kind of washes away the dirt on the rocks, so the rocks are clearly visible, and then I'll get rid of it that way. But I'm gonna spread this stuff around a little. So there you go. Didn't take too long at all to get a big trailer full of fresh dirt, albeit it does have some rocks in it, but I can't tell from if they're just mud balls or rocks. So I'm gonna let it sit here, settle for like a week or so. The rocks will eventually, with the rain and whatever, the rocks will eventually settle into the soil. Just adding about a ½ inch to an inch of more dirt on my lawn, only on this side because the It's always very thin here because it's a highly traveled area. You know, when you park your car, you don't use the walkway, you walk on the grass, you know, so it's heavily traveled. So for me to get it right across next door, I'll just take advantage of the fact that they're putting in a pool, right? Use the dirt that they were gonna go and fill something else or dump it somewhere. Dump it on my yard, you know, I could use the extra dirt. We'll see how this turns out next spring. But that's it, that's how I spent my day today. Getting some free dirt. It's cheap as dirt, like free. Thanks a lot for joining me on today's episode. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers. Yeah.
Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.